Hello crafty friends, it's Brenda from Stamping with the CopperCropper. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I hope you enjoy watching today's quick tip video. Have you ever grabbed your paper snips to do a little bit of fussy cutting and you couldn't get them to open? Most crafters have this happen at one time or another. I find the quickest, easiest way to deal with gooey messes and ink spills is to keep some goof-off wipes on my craft table. You can also get other brands. They have them in spray bottles, they have them in squirt bottles, and there's goo-off, but I prefer the wipes because they're quick and they're easy. You open it up, pull them out, and you just wipe away at the blades on your snips and get that adhesive off, and you're all ready to do a little fussy cutting. I also use them to clean the surface on my stamping trimmer because sometimes I'll get some ink if I didn't have my ink dry before I started my project, or might get a little adhesive spilled. After you use this, just remember, take your paper towel, wipe it, make sure it's good and dry before you start to use them for a craft project. And that's today's quick tip. Happy crafting.